Hello and welcome, esteemed car enthusiasts and loyal viewers of the Trend Auto World channel. We're truly delighted to have you with us once again. Today, we have prepared a comprehensive and exciting presentation about the Mercedes-Benz SLS, covering its iconic design, exterior features, performance capabilities, technical specifications, and even maintenance guidelines. Whether you're a Mercedes fan or simply passionate about remarkable automobiles, this video is tailored just for you. We'll dive deep into every detail that makes the SLS a true automotive masterpiece. If you're someone who's always eager to learn more about the world's finest vehicles, make sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more in-depth reviews. Are you ready? Let's begin the journey into the world of the Mercedes SLS. At a deep dive into the iconic Mercedes-AMG SLS, history, design, and performance excellence. The Mercedes SLS is more than just a car. It is a symbol of engineering brilliance, timeless design, and raw power. First unveiled in 2009, the SLS was developed as a spiritual successor to the legendary 300SL Gullwing, combining retro elegance with cutting-edge automotive technology. Design and exterior. The SLS captivates with its striking gull-wing doors, long bonnet, and sculpted aerodynamic body lines. Every curve and angle has been meticulously crafted to offer both visual elegance and superior performance. It stands out as one of the most beautifully designed sports cars of the modern era, aggressive, refined, and unmistakably Mercedes. Performance and engine power. At the heart of the Mercedes-AMG SLS lies a naturally aspirated 6.2-liter V8 engine, hand-built by AMG's master technicians. This powerful unit delivers an impressive 571 horsepower and a torque of 650 Newton-meters, offering a thrilling driving experience. Acceleration and speed. The SLS rockets from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.8 seconds, thanks to its rear-wheel drive system and lightweight aluminum space frame. Its top speed reaches approximately 315 kilometers per hour, placing it firmly in the category of elite supercars. Transmission and gearbox. Equipped with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, the SLS delivers lightning-fast gear shifts and seamless power delivery. Drivers can switch between comfort and performance modes, offering full control on both road and track. Fuel consumption. Despite its power, the SLS manages a combined fuel consumption of around 13 liters per 100 kilometers, which is commendable for a V8-powered sports machine of this caliber. Sports features. The SLS is engineered for performance. AMG Ride Control Sports Suspension. High-performance ceramic composite brakes. Dynamic traction and stability control systems. Launch control for optimal acceleration. Electronically adjustable sport exhaust for an aggressive sound profile. The Mercedes-AMG SLS is a masterpiece that fuses luxury, performance, and motorsport heritage into one unforgettable machine. Whether admired for its breathtaking design or driven for its sheer power, the SLS continues to leave a lasting impression on the world of high-performance vehicles. Owning a Mercedes-AMG SLS is not just about driving a high-performance machine. It's about preserving a legend. To maintain its iconic power, precision, and reliability, proper servicing is absolutely essential. In this segment, we'll explore the key maintenance procedures that every SLS owner or enthusiast should know. So stay with us until the end to make sure your supercar stays in top condition for years to come. Engine oil change. The heart of the SLS is its handcrafted 6.2-liter V8 AMG engine, and keeping it healthy starts with timely oil changes. Recommended oil change interval: every 10,000 kilometers or once a year, whichever comes first. Always use Mercedes-approved full synthetic engine oil to ensure optimal performance and longevity. After aggressive driving or track use, it's wise to change the oil sooner, especially if the engine has experienced high RPMs for extended periods. Transmission service. The SLS features a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, which requires special attention to operate smoothly under high torque and speed. Transmission fluid replacement interval: every 60,000 kilometers or 4 years. This includes both the gear oil and the transmission filter. Delaying this service can lead to hard shifting, reduced responsiveness, or even costly repairs. So it's crucial not to overlook. Additional maintenance tips: brake fluid. Replace every 2 years, regardless of mileage. Air filters. Inspect every 20,000 kilometers and replace if necessary. Coolant system. Flush and replace coolant every 3 to 4 years to prevent overheating. Professional servicing matters. For best results, always have your SLS serviced at an authorized Mercedes-AMG service center. Their certified technicians have the tools, software, and expertise specifically designed for high-performance AMG vehicles. Taking care of your Mercedes-AMG SLS is the key to enjoying its full potential, not just today, but for decades to come. By following the recommended service intervals and using only approved parts and fluids, you ensure that your SLS performs just as it did when it first left the factory floor. Stay tuned as we continue to explore more about the incredible world of the SLS, from design to engineering and everything in between. Mercedes-AMG SLS: dimensions, wheels, sensors, and safety features. The Mercedes-AMG SLS is a masterpiece of advanced technology and sophisticated design, crafted to deliver exceptional performance. Dimensions: the vehicle measures approximately 4,633 millimeters in length and 1,968 millimeters in width. With a ground clearance of just 114 millimeters, the SLS offers impressive stability and a low center of gravity. Its overall weight is around 1,620 kilograms, striking a perfect balance between lightweight construction and durability. Wheels and turning radius. Equipped with 19-inch alloy wheels at the front and 20-inch wheels at the rear, wrapped in high-performance tires, the SLS ensures outstanding grip and handling. The turning radius is approximately 5.4 meters, allowing this supercar to maneuver with ease even in tight urban environments. The classic rear-wheel drive layout delivers thrilling sports car dynamics. Key wheel functions. The SLS features advanced systems, including the anti-lock braking system, ABS, for preventing wheel lock during sudden stops, the electronic stability program, ESP, to maintain control in sharp turns, and the tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, to keep tire pressure optimal at all times. Lighting and rain sensors. The vehicle is equipped with automatic adaptive LED headlights that adjust based on ambient light, speed, and steering angle, enhancing visibility while minimizing glare. Rain sensors detect precipitation and activate windshield wipers automatically, ensuring a clear view without driver distraction. Park radar system. For effortless parking, the SLS includes front and rear parking sensors, alongside a rear-view camera, helping drivers navigate tight spaces safely and precisely. Safety features. Safety is paramount in the SLS. It comes equipped with 8 airbags, including front, side, curtain, and knee airbags. Additional systems like the Brake Assist System, BAS, provide extra braking power in emergencies, while Electronic Brake Force Distribution, EBD, optimizes braking balance. The Attention Assist monitors driver alertness, and the Traction Control System, TCS, prevents wheel slip to maintain grip. With its impressive dimensions, dynamic wheel technology, intelligent sensors, and comprehensive safety features, the Mercedes-AMG SLS offers more than speed. It delivers a smart, safe, and exhilarating driving experience. Thank you for watching our detailed presentation of the Mercedes-AMG SLS. If you enjoyed the video, please support our channel by subscribing. This way, you'll stay updated with our latest automotive content. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you and take care.